Working at Marian Regional Medical Center is more than just a job. It's a purposeful connection with each other and our community. I give to Marian because I truly believe in the good work that happens here on a daily basis. At Marian Regional Medical Center, our employees, our physicians and volunteers are committed to providing health care that exceeds expectation and is progressive and forward-thinking.
I give because I feel like giving is the best way to help join a community together and enrich each other's lives.
I give because I've seen how the staff that I have been able to benefit from it. When their families have been in difficult times or emergent situations arise, they've been able to draw from the Friendship Fund, and it's been a real blessing to them.
I give because this is our community, and giving back to our community is important to me.
I give to the Marian Employee Giving Campaign because it's important for us to make sure that we're there to help take care of the people we work with, as well as those in our community. We have to keep on giving to keep on living.
I give because I believe in the mission at Marian Regional Medical Center. When I walk around the hospital and I see all of the patients and the families and the caregivers that serve our patients, I see that we are the community that we're serving, and I think it's important to give back to our organization so we can continue that service for days and years to come.
The culture of giving here at Marian is truly remarkable and helps fund needs that would otherwise be impossible. Circle of Friends helps with major campaigns, like the Emergency Services Expansion Project. It funds education and outreach efforts for patients in need through nurse navigation, support groups, and other relevant offerings. It assists in the securing of the latest pieces of technology that further our healing mission here in Santa Maria. Marian also seeks to serve people in need. We do so through the Friendship Fund, which assists our fellow employees. We also have just launched a patient assistance fund that will help provide for emergent needs of our patients and our families.
In care coordination, I see a tremendous need within our patient population. With the Patient Assistance Fund, medically fragile or underserved patients are provided with one-time financial assistance and care coordination services.
The people at Santa Maria have a lot of needs, and with the Patient Assistance Funds, we can meet those needs.
A critical ingredient to full recovery is rest. Unfortunately, many of these underserved patients do not have sufficient shelter for recovery. The Patient Assistance Fund will help provide for temporary housing to ensure a suitable environment for recovery. Following discharge, Marian provides for impoverished patients transportation assistance, pharmacy gift cards for medication, and basic survival items like clothing and blankets. Often with complex cases, the care coordination team will also connect patients with community resources, and this fund will also help provide for this need.
A Patient's Assistance Fund would radically change many needy people in this community. So I have a friend that I made here working, and she needed some extra help, and the Friendship Fund really enabled her to meet the needs of her family. She's a single parent, and she reached out for help, and she got it without any questions. So it really helped benefit her and her family.
We had an employee who was struggling financially, and we were able to just give them a tank of gas to hold them over till payday. It's a little bit of money goes a long way, and it's really coming from the heart that makes a huge difference. That is what the Friendship Fund is all about.
You should give because you've heard the saying that it's more blessed to give than to receive. When you do give, it actually lifts your spirit, it refreshes you, and it enables you to be able to be a blessing to someone else. And who's to say that if the tables are turned, that same pool of resources that you've been able to contribute to, you may be able to draw from yourself in your time of need.
Our mission is to help people in need, and the Patient Assistance Fund will help us to fulfill our mission.
In 2016 Employee Giving Campaign, 65% of all employees chose to give back to Marian. That says something about our employees. It's a testament to the culture of gratitude, and it speaks to the level of commitment to fulfilling our promise to the community. All donations from both employees and the community members fuel Marian's healing work and provides the needed funding for patient outreach needs, the latest in equipment, and the programs and services. Please know that it is your meaningful philanthropic gift that continues to transform Marian's healing work, allowing Marian to meet the needs of our community and those we serve. I invite you to join me in giving during the Circle and Friends Employee Giving Campaign. Every contribution, regardless of the size, makes a difference in the lives of patients, families, and the community where we live.
I give.
I give.
I give.
I give.
I give.
I give.
I give.